Guys, they were just going to play
some games.
Yes.
Let's go to Paco Games.
Paco Games. Yeah, that game is called Paco Games. Come over here.
I'll show you a game.
Yeah, show that Paco Games. It's like a game of a Paco Games.
Yes, it's here. Paco Games.
Yes,
Paco
games.
Can you find any 2 players?
Any 2 players game, right, guys?
Yeah, because
Right,
my Kuya will also play. I'm just gonna show you
Guys,
first.
wait.
This one? I think I'm gonna show them this one. This
So
game
guys,
is so funny.
Move here.
It's all about shooting. It's like Fortnite.
Shooting games.
It's about
Wait, that game is called I don't know. Oh yeah. Okay, you go first. That game is so good at. He's good at this, guys.
Yeah.
Wait. Show your webcam.
I can shoot my friends.
Your friends. Wow.
Look at this.
Don't you know?
Uy. Walang nalabas.
Are you okay? Don't die.
Uy, sabi ni Mami, walang malabas. Uy, sabi
Yeah.
ni Mami.
Hey, why is that guy? Don't you ever kill my friend. Don't kill my brother. Come on.
Take the timer bomb. That's the timer bomb.
Yes, guys.
Don't take my timer bomb. Okay? Let's see. No. I'm taking out. Uy!
Hey, what are you doing, man?
I'm scared. Go. Uy! I dare you.
Guys, my brother's so good at this game. Like, I don't know how to... Oh,
They
you died.
killed me.
Okay, play again. Sometimes it glitch, sometimes it's good. Okay, move. Show your face.
How can I help? How can I help to make things better for you?
Hey,
To make
just do
things
not
better.
die.
Now these guys are here. Always remember to hate your eyes.
He's dying, bro.
My 3 hearts
I
left.
knew it that good guys. I knew it that good guys would always win.
Ah, they killed me.
But sometimes bad guys will always win too. Oh my gosh, you're wasting time.
Wait.
Oh my jeez.
Jason.
Jeez, bro, Jill. Crazy.
Go trampoline. Nobody. There's nobody here. Wait. I almost fell down. Yeah, boy.
Jim.
Jason.
Let's go.
Oh.
Yeah, you're big.
Too
You're
big,
big,
too big, too big.
you like a big.
Ah! Yes. the blood. Let's take a chair.
Yeah. Wow. Well, guys,
I can
that's
try.
the end of the video.
Well, let's learn one more game.
Okay, fine, guys. One more game to show you. We're gonna show you one more game. It's about Spider-Man. Over there.
Maybe it's not nice.
Continue. You want to end the video? Show your face, man. Show your face.
I'm just gonna show you this.
Yeah, we're gonna show you this game.
It's like Stickman Hawk.
Yeah, it almost looks like Stickman Hook. It almost looks like, right, guys? Okay, so my brother's gonna show you Stickman Hook too.
It's not Stickman Hawk.
Yeah.
I already unlocked Batman, Hawk, even Skin.
So we're gonna show you how to play 10 times. Right? 10 times.
What Kuya? What skin did you want?
I want the Hulk.
Hawk. Hawk is not nice.
It's okay.
I want to have this.
He's
Oh.
been trying this
Oh.
for a long time. Oh, don't die. He's like having no hand. Don't die.
Wait,
Okay, can I try
I
now?
can try again.
You got to play only one time.
I'm a master at this game. Look what will happen. He'll be dead.
Whoa! Oh, he got the pro mask.
Oh, I'm a rolly. One more game.
Okay, last
time.
game. Then we'll end the video. Yeah. Because
I really want this game. This game is more nicer. It's like a truck game. And this game is about pew 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 pew. pew.
bot machine. After let's end the video.
Sexy.
Ew, guys, it's so disgusting. Ew, you spit on my face. Silly Yesco. Oh, it's almost record. It's almost done. It's almost done. Loading. Please wait. Bot machines. Here, guys, look at this. But play games, Blaze games, or I don't know. Guys, look, guys.
JM. I don't like to be robot.
It's almost.
What this? Oh, there's been new guns.
Oh.
Nice. There'll be a new gun, bro. So many things.
Okay, only that's done. We're gonna waste time. We're gonna waste time, GM.
Okay, I need that. This game,
He's a robot.
yes, robot tanks.
Robot tank. Tank. Just doing this. Shoot him. Kill him.
Dun, 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 dun. You can be okay. Ah, they killed me. Dun, dun, dun.
Guys, we don't have time. We need to end the video right now. My brother is like, Jim, can you end the video?
Okay, fine. None of your
Guys.
business.
Bye guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye. Peace.